What is 3D Toonz? In the dynamic realm of technology and artistic innovation, the advent of 3D Toonz stands as a groundbreaking milestone. As the pioneering force behind the world's premier AI-based 3D cartoon character builder technology, 3D Toonz reshapes the landscape of creativity, offering an unprecedented gateway to crafting limitless, awe-inspiring 3D cartoons, avatars, transforming ordinary photos into animated wonders, producing captivating videos, and an array of other imaginative outputs. The fusion of artificial intelligence and creative expression has birthed a transformative tool that not only amplifies the artistic process, but also redefines the very essence of visual storytelling. With its multifaceted capabilities, 3D Toonz empowers creators, animators, designers, and enthusiasts to transcend the boundaries of traditional creation, unlocking a realm where the unimaginable becomes attainable. This cutting-edge technology harnesses the power of AI algorithms to render captivating visuals, giving life to characters and stories in ways previously deemed unattainable. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of this groundbreaking innovation, exploring the facets that make 3D Toonz a game-changer in the world of animated creativity. Best parts of profit, 100K? 100%. Fully AI-based 3D cartoon avatar builder, custom avatars in Video Maker, cloud-based platform, inbuilt image-to-cartoon converter tool, extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights, get thousands of HD videos, templates, commercial license included, sell limitless assets and videos and earn, like the big boys, no special skills or experience required. Generate limitless unique avatars for all your projects, Limitless. One-click download inbuilt advanced video editor. How does it work? Use 3D Toonz to start your own. In 3 simple steps, profitable avatar creation and video agency. Step 1. Log in. Log in and select from 100,000 plus combinations of 3D characters. Step 2. Customize. Good. You're on the right track. Now easily customize the characters as per your requirements. Step 3. Download and profit. Boom, that's all. Go ahead, preview and download in one click. Use for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. Amazing feature of 3D Toonz, AI-powered 3D character generator. Copyright, free illustrations, complete design suite, image-to-cartoon converter, commercial license included, inbuilt advanced image and video editor, boost your video clicks. Hassle-free, one-click downloads. Compatible with every design software. Unlimited downloads with no monthly fee, step-by-step training. 24/7, high-priority support, newbie-friendly. Monthly updates, comes with a commercial license. How to make money using 3D Toonz. The emergence of 3D Toonz isn't merely a leap forward in creative technology, it's also a gateway to lucrative opportunities for individuals seeking to capitalize on their artistic prowess. Leveraging this cutting-edge AI-driven 3D cartoon character builder technology can pave the way for various income streams, tapping into a wide array of markets and industries. Here are several ways to turn your proficiency with 3D Toonz into a source of revenue. 1. Freelance services. Offer your expertise in crafting custom 3D cartoons, avatars, or animated videos on freelance platforms. Cater to businesses, content creators, or individuals seeking personalized and eye-catching visuals for marketing campaigns, social media, presentations, or storytelling purposes. 2. Digital content marketplaces. Showcase and sell your creations on digital marketplaces dedicated to graphic assets, animations, or character designs. These platforms enable artists to reach a broader audience and earn royalties for each download or purchase of their 3D creations. 3. Educational workshops and tutorials. Share your knowledge and skills by creating online courses, tutorials, or workshops teaching others how to utilize 3D Toonz effectively. Many aspiring artists and enthusiasts are eager to learn and may be willing to pay for in-depth guidance. 4. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborate with brands, influencers, or content creators for commissioned projects. Collaborative ventures can include developing branded content, creating mascot characters, or producing promotional materials using 3D Toonz. 5. Customize services for events or special occasions. Offer specialized services to create unique 3D cartoons or avatars for events such as birthdays, weddings, or corporate gatherings. Personalized creations can be a sought-after addition to make such occasions memorable. 6. Licensing and merchandising. Explore opportunities to license your 3D creations for merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or other products. Marketable characters or designs can generate ongoing royalties from sales. By tapping into these avenues, individuals equipped with 3D Toonz can transform their artistic skills into profitable ventures, capitalizing on the demand for captivating visual content in various industries and markets. Benefit of 3D Toonz? Promote offers to untapped audiences. Communicate easily with globally scattered audience. Earn by selling your custom avatars on Fiverr. Drive targeted leads for your offers. Boost landing page conversions. Grab more social likes and shares. Boost customer trust and satisfaction. Get engagement for your marketing videos. What we get in 3D Toonz. 1. Fully cloud-based AI-powered 3D character generator. 3D Toonz revolutionizes character creation with a fully cloud-based AI-powered 3D character generator. This means users can access and work on their projects from anywhere with an internet connection. 2. Generate and customize unlimited 3D cartoons characters. Enjoy unparalleled creativity by generating and customizing an unlimited number of 3D cartoon characters to meet your specific needs and preferences. The platform empowers users to bring their imaginative ideas to life effortlessly. 3. Millions of pre-made avatars with inbuilt video editor. Dive into a vast library of millions of pre-made avatars, coupled with an inbuilt video editor for seamless customization. This unique combination allows for quick and easy video creation without compromising on quality. 4. Ultra HD quality. Intro and outro videos, templates. Ready to use. Elevate your videos with professional flair using Ultra HD quality intro and outro video templates provided by 3D Toonz. These ready-to-use templates add a polished touch to your content. 5. 2M Plus HD stock images. Access a massive collection of 2 million high-definition stock images to enhance your visual storytelling and make your videos visually stunning. 6. 1 million plus. Ultra HD stock videos. Enhance your video projects with a diverse selection of over 1 million Ultra HD stock videos, ensuring that you have the perfect footage for every scenario. 7. 2,000 plus. Vectors. Unleash your creativity with a library of 20,000 plus vectors, providing you with versatile design elements to incorporate into your 3D cartoon characters and videos. 8. 8,000 plus HQ royalty-free audios. Bring your videos to life with a rich auditory experience using 8,000 plus high-quality, royalty-free audio tracks, ensuring your content is not just visually appealing, but also sonically engaging. 9. AI-based image-to-cartoon converter. Leverage cutting-edge technology with the AI-based image-to-cartoon converter, transforming your photos into captivating cartoon renditions effortlessly. 10. Preview feature. Fine-tune your creations with the preview feature, allowing you to see your designs and edits in real time before finalizing your project. 11. Unlimited downloads. With no fee. Enjoy the freedom of unlimited downloads without any additional fees, ensuring that your creative potential is not limited by subscription constraints. 12. Multiple formats. Save your creations in multiple formats, providing flexibility for sharing and using your 3D cartoons across various platforms. 13. Fully AI-based. Platform. Benefit from a fully AI-based platform that streamlines the design process, making it user-friendly and efficient for both beginners and seasoned designers. 14. Complete designing suite. 3D Toonz offers a comprehensive designing suite, providing all the tools you need to bring your creative visions to life in a single, cohesive platform. 15. High-quality downloads. Ensure the highest quality in your projects with high-quality downloads, maintaining the integrity of your visuals and audio throughout the creative process. 16. Social sharing feature. Amplify the reach of your creations with the built-in social sharing feature, allowing you to showcase your 3D cartoon characters and videos across various social media platforms. 17. Step-by-step training. Navigate the platform with ease through step-by-step training, empowering users to maximize the potential of 3D Toonz and create captivating content effortlessly. 18. Compatible with every design software. Seamlessly integrate 3D Toonz with your existing design software, ensuring compatibility and ease of use for designers accustomed to specific tools. 19. And much, much more. Experience a plethora of additional features and functionalities, making 3D Toonz a comprehensive solution for all your 3D cartoon character building and video creation needs. What type of 3D video can we make? 3D animation videos, live action videos, explainer videos, testimonial videos, training videos, podcasts, music videos, demo videos. Who can use 3D Toonz? 1. Digital product sellers. Digital product sellers can leverage 3D Toonz to create engaging promotional videos for their products. Whether it's software, ebooks, or online courses, the vivid and animated 3D characters can captivate the audience, increasing the chances of conversions. 2. Website owners. For website owners, 3D Toonz offers a unique way to enhance their site's visual appeal. Animated characters can be used in explainer videos or interactive elements, making the website more dynamic and engaging for visitors. 3. Affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketers can use 3D Toonz to create compelling content for product promotions. Animated characters can convey messages more effectively, helping affiliates stand out in a crowded digital space and potentially boost click-through rates. 4. E-com store. Owners. E-commerce store owners can elevate their product presentations with 3D Toonz. Animated characters can showcase products in a more engaging manner, providing a virtual shopping experience that sets their store apart. 5. Social marketers. Social media marketers can leverage 3D Toonz to create thumb-stopping content for various platforms. Animated characters can make posts more shareable, increasing organic reach and interaction with the audience. 6. Video marketers. Video marketers can take advantage of 3D Toonz to add a creative flair to their video content. The animated characters can serve as attention-grabbing elements, enhancing storytelling and increasing viewer retention. 7. Bloggers and vloggers. Bloggers and vloggers can use 3D Toonz to diversify their content. Integrating animated characters into their videos or blog posts can inject personality and visual appeal, making the content more memorable for their audience. 8. Small business owners. Small business owners can benefit from 3D Toonz by creating professional-looking promotional material without the need for extensive resources. This technology allows them to compete on a visually appealing level with larger enterprises. 9. Product coaches, trainers. Product coaches and trainers can enhance their online courses and training materials with 3D Toonz. Animated characters can make learning more engaging and enjoyable, potentially improving the overall effectiveness of educational content. Bonuses. Along with complete access to 3D Toonz, you also get these premium launch exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. 40 software in one bundle. As 3D Toonz is our last launch of this year, we decided to give away all the collected software to make your 2022 a successful year. This includes digital marketing, blogging, SaaS, payment solutions, login solutions, and many. Bonus 2. 3D Toonz file sharing platform. You can send 3D Toonz's files to your customers directly without using any third-party service, create new users with dedicated folders, or simply use it as your personal file cloud. All is yours with your brand name. Bonus 3. Advanced Video Editor now edit 3D Toonz creative videos inside your dashboard within a few clicks. Video editor is essential for your projects, and we don't want you to pay for expensive video editing software. Total value of these bonuses is 12,685 plus, but only today you will take these bonuses home for free.
Hey friends, are you a business owner, affiliate marketer, YouTube content creator, make money online blogger and podcasters, founders, CEO, CMO and founders, e-com and AMP, Shopify store owners, social media marketers and coaches, mentors, or gurus? Do you want to million traffic on your website? And you also want to succeed in life? Always stay with us.